Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share to you all about crypto or Bitcoin. And before that, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.
Hedge funds co-founders acknowledge their mistakes, driven by bull market overconfidence. The late spring and summer months of 2022 would be remembered not only for their extreme temperatures across the global, but also for a crushing streak of large crypto companies falling apart. Terra Lab in May, Celsius in June, and now the lasting agony of a Singapore-based crypto hedge fund, the Fund 3 Arrows Capital. Technically, 3AC was ordered for liquidation by a court in the British Virgin Islands of June 27, but it was last week, which has seen some further developments around the firm. The liquidators of 3AC are brutally demanding access to the company's Singapore headquarters due to the virtual radio silence from the management director of the company. They believe the office may contain cold wallets or information on how to access 3AC trading accounts, which the liquidators want to access before any of them is removed or destroyed. This desire of perfectly understandable, given the sums that had been loaned to 3AC by the creditors. They appeared to be far greater than in earlier reports. The scandal around failed hedge fund grew so big that the managing director of the Monetary Authority of Singapore even decided to publicly disavow the company's ties to Singapore, claiming 3AC and Terraform Labs as well had little to do with crypto regulation in the country. At the same time, the founders of 3AC have finally resurfaced after 5 weeks of no known whereabouts. In an interview, Suzu and Kylie Davis admitted their problem with bull market overconfidence and relieved their closeness to Terra, which had crystallized in a $500 million worth of investment going to zero. New riots in South Korea in the aftermath of Terra's collapse. As the investigation to Terra's collapse continues, prosecutors in South Korea have reportedly executed a search and seizure in 15 firms, including 7 crypto exchanges. The list included such entities as Upbit, Bitumed, Kainan, Corbit, and Gopax. Authorities reportedly obtained data related to Terra USD Classics and Terra No Luna Classics transactions, in which roughly 200,000 Korean investors suffered losses following the token's severe price deflation and subsequent collapse in May. Senior U.S. officials will have to disclose their NFT's ownership. The United States Office of Government Ethics issued a legal advisory recommending various instances when senior government officials are required to disclose their investments in non-fungible tokens. All NFT investments, both partially
So thank you very much guys. Maybe just this. Before that, before I close this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. See